Hey everyone, and let me tell you, I'm hyped to be exploring Washington DC today. This city is electric, monuments, history, power, it's all here. We're talking about the heart of America where every corner has a story to tell. So buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the 7 must-see wonders of DC. Alright, we're kicking things off with a bang. The Washington Monument. This thing is massive, 555 feet of pure American history, honoring the big guy himself, George Washington. You know, the dude on the dollar bill. But here's the kicker, you can actually go up this bad boy. Yeah, there's an elevator that takes you straight to the top, and trust me, the view is insane. You see the entire city sprawled out, all the iconic landmarks. It's like looking at a postcard, but you know, real life. And at night, forget about it. Lit up against the sky, it's absolutely breathtaking. Next up, we're heading to a place that's not just a memorial, it's a symbol. The Lincoln Memorial. This is where it all went down, people. We're talking about Abraham Lincoln, the man who held this country together during its darkest hour, the Civil War. And the statue? Man, it's huge. 19 feet of pure power. You stand in front of it and you can't help but feel this wave of emotion, you know? Like you're in the presence of greatness. And don't even get me started on the steps. This is where Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his I Have a Dream speech. History happened right here, guys. Okay, picture this. A massive park stretching from the Lincoln Memorial all the way to the Capitol building. That's the National Mall, my friends, and it's basically America's front yard. You've got monuments and memorials scattered everywhere telling the story of this country. Presidential inaugurations happened here. Massive protests happened here. This place has seen it all. Walking through the mall is like taking a crash course in American history, but way more fun than any textbook. Chapter 4. Smithsonian Museums, get your nerd on. Now if you're a museum junkie like me, then buckle up because DC is your paradise. The Smithsonian Institution, it's like the motherlode of museums. We're talking 19 museums and galleries, and guess what? Most of them are free. Free. You can check out spaceships at the Air and Space Museum, geek out over historical artifacts, even see the actual Star-Spangled Banner. And don't even get me started on the National Museum of African American History and Culture. It's new, it's powerful, and it's a must-see. Chapter 5. The White House, home of the press. Alright, you can't come to DC and not at least try to catch a glimpse of the White House, right? I mean, it's the president's crib. Every president since John Adams has lived here. Can you believe that? Getting a tour inside is tough. Like, really tough. But even standing outside the gates is pretty cool. You see the house, the security, the whole shebang, and you realize, wow, this is where it all goes down. It's a powerful symbol of American democracy, even from the outside. Chapter 6. The US Capitol, where laws are made. Speaking of where it all goes down, let's talk about the US Capitol. This is where Congress hangs out, where they make the laws, you know, the important stuff. And the building itself, absolutely stunning. That dome, iconic. You can directly take a free tour inside and see where the magic happens, where debates rage and decisions are made. It's a crash course in American government, and trust me, it's way more interesting than it sounds. Chapter 7. Vietnam Veterans Memorial, a wall of remembrance. Our last stop is a somber one, but so important. The Vietnam Veterans Memorial is more than just a memorial, it's a wall of names, a testament to the sacrifice of those who served in the Vietnam War. Over 58,000 names on the AKN etched in black granite, each one a life lost, a story untold. It's a powerful and emotional experience walking along that wall, seeing the names reflected in the polished surface. It's a place for reflection, for remembrance, for honoring the fallen. Outro. That's a wrap on DC. So there you have it, 7 must-see wonders of Washington DC. This city is more than just monuments and museums. It's a living, breathing testament to American history, politics, and culture. Whether you're a history buff, a politics junkie, or just looking for an awesome city to explore, DC has something for everyone. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite spot in DC? Until next time, peace out.